Welcome to this problem solving equations 2. So we want to solve the following equation. Use the table to separate the left and the right sides of your equal sign. Be sure to write an explanation of what you did for each step on the rightmost column. It's the explanation column. So we have broken this equation into a left side and a right side. And when you look at the equal sign, think of this line as being your equal sign. And as always, you want to make sure that your teacher understands what you're doing. And that's what the explanations column is for. So when we look at this problem, we want to isolate the x. We want to get the x all by itself. But when we look at this problem, there's a problem. It's x minus 13. We have to get rid of this negative 13. What can we do to a negative 13 to get rid of it on the left-hand side? In other words, what can we do to zero it out? So if you're looking at negative 13, and if you're thinking, well, I can add 13 to the left-hand side. And if I do that, and I type in here, negative 13 plus 13 is 0. So I'm left with just 1x, which is what I want to do. But remember, TBS to both sides. And we want to be equal about it. So if we're going to add 13 to one side, we have to add 13 to the other side. So what is 28 plus 13? Well, I know that 28 plus 10 is going to be 38, plus 2 more is going to be 40, plus 1 more is going to be 41. So it's going to be x equals 41. Now, what do I want to say there? I'm simply going to put a plus sign, 13. That way, you let your teacher know that you added 13, and that's how you did it. Now, we can also come back and we can check our work. What is 41? So if we know that x is 41, what's 41 minus 13? So if you take 41 minus 10, it's going to be what? 31. You minus 3 more, it will be 28. So I just checked my work to make sure that it's correct. Again, if you still have questions about this problem, make sure you talk to your teacher.